PNP Aviation Security Group or the PNP ABSI Group. The Philippine National Police Aviation Security Group or PNP ABSI Group is responsible for enforcing laws and regulations related to air travel in the Philippines. So the responsibilities of the PNP ABSI Group is to enforce laws and regulations related to air travel in order to prevent acts of terrorism and to secure the safety of every passengers. Functions of PNP ABSI Group. Airport security. The PNP ABSI Group is tasked with securing all airports in the Philippines against acts of terrorism and other threats to civil aviation. So the PNP ABSI Group is tasked to prevent crimes in the airports and to secure the safety of every passengers from the act of terrorism. Next is the law enforcement. They enforce laws and regulations related to air travel safety, ensuring compliance with aviation security protocols. So they are also tasked to enforce laws and regulations to implement the proper protocols and safety for every passengers and for every air travels. Next is operational control. They exercise operational control and supervision over all agencies involved in airport security operations, ensuring a coordinated and effective security response. So the PNP-ABSI group is coordinated with other agencies that is connected to the airport security operations in order to implement effective security response. Counter-terrorism. They are responsible for countering acts of terrorism that threaten civil aviation in the Philippines. So they are tasked to prevent act of terrorism in the civil aviation and to protect the safety of every passenger in the air travel or the airport's security. Ay, bugo.
So next is the act and laws implemented by the PNP Aviation Security Group. First is the Republic Act number 9497, also known as the Civil Aviation Authority Act of 2008. This law established the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, giving it the authority to regulate and promote the development of the civil aviation sector in the Philippines, including aviation security. So, this means this law is giving the authority to regulate and promote development for the security group. So it means, yeah, this act will develop the sector of the aviation security. And next is the function of the Republic Act 9497, which is the Civil Aviation Authority Act of 2020. The function of this is to establish and prescribe rules and regulation for the inspection and registration of all aircraft owned and operated in the Philippines and all air facilities. And also establish the corresponding rules and regulation for enforcement of laws governing air transportation. And next law or act that implemented by the PNP Aviation Security Group is the Republic Act number 6235, which is known as the Anti-Hijacking Law. This act was enacted on June 19, 1971, prohibits by a certain act that are harmful to civil aviation, including compelling a change in the course or the destination of an aircraft or of the Philippine registry, or seizing or usurping control of such aircraft while in flight. So it means the anti-hijacking law. This act was uh, established for the safety of the passenger. So it means hijacking. It is the known robbery or robbery or uh, get collecting the things from out from the plane, or uh, they called hijack the plane. And that's all the regulation that promote by the PNP Aviation Security Groups. Thank you.
The, the Philippine National Police Aviation Security Group, or PNP ABSI Group, plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and security of air travel. Their responsibilities encompass passenger and baggage screening, where they meticulously inspect travelers and their belongings for prohibited items to prevent any potential threats. Additionally, they are tasked with airport perimeter security, safeguarding the airport grounds from unauthorized access and potential dangers. To maintain a visible security presence, the PNP ABSI Group conduct security patrols and surveillance, actively monitoring activities to deter and detect any criminal behavior. Furthermore, they are prepared to respond to security threats and incidents, taking appropriate action to address security breaches, emergencies, and other situations that may arise, thereby ensuring a safe environment for all airport users. That's all.